Hey guys, I wanted to show you what dry needling is. So Dr. Melissa is doing some dry needling now on a patient, and I wanted you to see what it's like because people are always asking. So she basically is using acupuncture needles, and she's placing them in areas and moving them slightly in and out. So for you needle phobia people, you're probably going, ugh, what is she doing? But really, how's it feel?
It hurts the slightest amount.
The slightest?
Much, much less than you would think. Honestly, some of the stuff that you have done to me adjusting wise has been more painful than
Like when I
needling.
squeeze your muscles up
Yeah,
here, it's
absolutely.
like more painful than this, right?
Other than the initial prick, it's very, very light. It's
You
less than like a shot in the arm.
You feel like a small prick and then not a whole lot, right?
Yeah.
Now it depends on the area, right, Dr. Melissa? Some of them can be
definitely more than others, especially if you don't have a lot of, if it's very thin skin area, like let's say we did this on your like forearm where there isn't a lot of tissue over it, you could definitely feel that more. But back here, there's a lot of protective tissue, so you can't feel it as much. And we're just basically I'm feeling for when I put it in, it gives me pushback, and the needle won't move very freely. And then the more and more I move it around, the more freely the needle moves, and that's when you know it's pretty much done, and it releases that really tight knot in there. So like these ones have been in for a couple minutes, and basically I just am doing this a couple times, and like already this one's moving a lot more free. It's almost done. This guy is still really tight.
It doesn't even take that long. She can do a couple of regions, and it basically can really resolve. I like to use the analogy of like a knot or a tangle in a necklace, and if you get a needle in there and pick it apart and it slowly loosens the knot, that's kind of what it's doing to a little trigger point in a muscle. So it's really good for pain, and tiniest bit of discomfort for quick pain relief that you usually feel right away.
Yeah.
And then just a couple sessions or so, depending on your body, will take care of it. So we wanted to give you a look at that. All right. Have a good one.